The wind whipping in from the east did this along the Kenosha shoreline Monday. Some waves created 20-foot walls of water, while others rolled their way through the harbor. Randy Routman rushed down.
I think my camera lens is getting all wet already.
To snap some photos.
The winds are strong enough to put a lot of the waves in action, splashing over the rocks. It looks pretty impressive.
And your first thought was, I got to go out in it and get some photos of it.
Yes, Yeah, so it's nice if there was sunshine, but we can't always have that.
The 51-mile-per-hour peak winds in Kenosha were some of the strongest.
I just was talking to my girlfriend on the phone about how bad these waves are. It's kind of scary, actually.
Here in Racine, it was much of the same. White caps along the entire shoreline. This weather even knocking out power to some.
Our cameras spotted crews working to restore the thousands in the dark, but to some, the wicked wind wasn't the worst.
What do you make of it?
I like it. It's cold, kind of windy. Well, not kind of, it is windy.
Hannah Hilliard, WYSN 12 News.
At the height of the windy weather this morning, We Energies reported 5,700 customers without power.